Hello, other bushcrafters. I'm here at the cottage and basically there's nothing to do outside now when it's like really dark outside and it's only like 2 o'clock in daytime. So I decided to maybe do and try to do some sort of wildlife camera with these items which I have. Like these are some empty water canisters. I think this is from the car, like the windshield liquid. This is some other water canister. I don't know which one I try to use, but basically these are the materials I've got, and some other piece of wood. I hope this camera can withstand the coldness we have right now here. But I have had similar camera outside when the temperature has dropped below 10 Celsius degree. So I really hope that this can withstand even when it gets much colder outside. So let's try to figure out some sort of wildlife camera with these items. So now the prototype should be ready. So the camera is here inside this canister. And the top of the canister is also waterproof. So I hope no water can get inside the canister. But of course, if it's really windy, I don't know, can it get through this hole? So the idea is we just attach this with the tree. We put a couple of screws through here, and the tree is here at the back of the canister, and it leans the canister. So let's go and attach this with the tree and see will this work at all. Good morning. Let's go and see what's going on with the wildlife camera. Yesterday night I installed it to the tree, and it's snowing quite a lot today, so I hope the camera is not buried under the snow. Oh, there it is. So let's go and see. So the camera is holding up pretty well. There's no snow inside this canister, even though it's snowing quite a lot. It's quite protected inside the canister. But I think we should remove this someday if there's any water inside the canister. So it's filming this area. And let's take a look. Let's open the app. So we should be, yeah, we are here now. I walk a little bit this way. I should be seen on there, yeah. camera's working really well at the moment. Let's see. Do we see any wildlife animals later? Thanks for watching and bye.